Oh, you mean you see some stuff about my PC? Oh. Are you guys making fun of my PC now? I have a better PC somewhere else. Hey, you making fun of my PC? You always make fun of me and now you make fun of my PC. My PC can't do anything about being bad. The games are working, that's all that's necessary. You are a potato PC. Your PC is worse. What? I don't need your super chats. For a new PC, my PC is fine. But thank you. Maybe I need like a better internet or something like that. But yeah, my living situation is changing soon, so my internet might get worse after that. No, I'm not moving in with Calli. Why you guys keep on thinking, that I'm moving in with Calli just because we are both moving around the same time? I mean, I see that, and I mean, it would be cool to live together with Calli, but you know, you don't even know where we live, guys. I mean, maybe you know where I live, but how do you assume that we could even live together? How do you assume that? You know, Hololive EN is scattered all over the world. It's not like we all live in the same place. And I live in heaven, and Calli lives in hell. So of course we cannot just simply move together.